Going into the manufacturing system engineering program, I wasn't as aware of all of the jobs that you can have from a system engineering or a manufacturing standpoint.
So one of the things that I will always remember from my experience is just the personal touch I received from my advisor, Dr. Jawahir, and just all the members of the faculty and staff.
One of the things that I really liked about the program was there's a lot about lean manufacturing. Kentucky has such ties to Toyota that they have a really unique perspective on that I don't know that you can get anyplace else.
With the schedule that we keep, it's pretty difficult to take time off to drive and go to classes, so the online format was crucial to what we were after.
My only concern was just the demanding nature of my job and being able to balance the workload. Just the program itself is kind of designed for that kind of individual.
Since I've started the program, I've actually taken a promotion, and I've taken the things that I've learned in the classes, and I'm using those right now. And I even use those, in my interview, because I didn't have that managerial experience.
Part of an educational system, there's always the issue of credentials. So to expand our engineering program, to expand our additive to another level, going through the master's program at UK was crucial to that. It definitely made a difference in terms of the flexibility that I have to teach a wide variety of industry-related courses.
There's people from all over in this program. They have different experiences than you do, so you can really learn from that as well.
They put a lot of effort into creating quality video presentations. I was very much impressed with the simplicity of the structure. I really like that.
I think being in that program and going through some of the global issues in manufacturing class, that really opened my eyes as to what you can do with a system engineering degree or a graduate degree in general. That in itself helped me, realize what I can do here at Boeing.